Is a big day at Rockhurst University with the largest freshman class in Rockhurst history getting ready for the start of classes. Lisa Vincent is live.
Hello, Nash. Do you remember how nervous, scared, and excited you were the day you moved into the dorms? Well, that's exactly what's going on for these students here at Rockhurst University. And like you said, this year, the student body is seeing the largest freshman class in the university's history. Big deal. I'm joined now live with University President Father Tom Curran. Hello. Tell me, what do you credit to this jump in enrollment and more freshmen than you guys have ever seen?
I don't think there's any one thing, but it's a combination of factors. We increased our scholarship offerings. We really put the word out, and really a collective effort. We had faculty, students, staff calling prospective students, and that really resonated with students of how much we are interested in their success, and today is another example of that. As a Jesuit university, we speak about companionship, that we're in this together, and so I think from day one, that first point of contact for students, they recognize that we are serious about that. And that has resulted in our largest freshman class in the school's history.
Amazing. So tell me, what are you guys doing to prepare for all the fears and tears that are going to be coming later on today?
Well, it's actually not just today, but an exciting weekend. So after they move in, you get a little chance to rest, maybe go to the various stores to pick up odds and ends that they forgot. Then this afternoon, we'll gather on the Connert Commons here for a picnic, a welcome picnic. And tonight we have the opening address to the students. They form into groups. Part of the orientation begins tomorrow. Address to the parents, pancake breakfast, opening mass, and then we go off to a service project. We say goodbye to our parents, and we need to have them leave immediately afterwards so that we can put the students and ourselves, some 700 of us, to go into the community at over 35 sites for service, which is also part of the Jesuit tradition.
So, thank you so much, Father, for that. And you guys have 17 students from 17 states and one foreign country, and again, a very exciting day for these teens and a landmark for the university. Reporting live, Lisa Benson, 41 Action News.